glad to reaffirm our partnership and to help customers find the solutions that they need, not just in professional tools that provide faster and smaller code, but also in the capability of doing debugging and static analysis of their tools. There's a lot of great topics that are being taught in the classes. What we see now is that there's a wide spectrum of things, from wireless to automotive to functional safety to security and cryptography, and just basically anything that talks to some of the problems that developers are having in trying to get their designs out to market much more quickly. They're trying to address that, and they have the Meet the Experts stand here where you can discuss your problems and get potential solutions, connect with people from various partner ecosystems and find out how can we help them solve their design challenges. But the camaraderie that you get just in talking to people in the classes, in the halls, as you're eating, and you get to learn about the technical challenges that they're facing and discuss ways that you could potentially address that. And I just think the whole atmosphere is fantastic and conducive to learning and connecting with other engineers and finding out what's important to them and talking about just some of the neat things that they're doing with the technology.